Lewis Hamilton will most likely return to grid this year. His social media silence is perhaps more an indication of his real need to unplug from it all and come back fresh than him contemplating retirement. But one thing is certain. Even if 2021 was perhaps one of the best seasons of his career, Hamilton is still at the twilight years as an F1 driver and will probably have only a handful of years left in the game. Here are the three most likely options that Mercedes will turn to once Hamilton eventually announces his retirement from the sport. Number 1. Esteban Ocon. Ocon would definitely be the number one choice for Mercedes. Starting his career in Force India, replacing Nico Hülkenberg, Ocon stayed in the team for 2 years, giving his teammate Sergio Perez a tough fight. Perez has to fight hard for his place alongside Ocon, and there were several instances where Ocon clearly outperformed his teammate. In 2019, the year where he sat out of the grid, he stayed back as the Mercedes reserve driver. For the last 2 years, he has been with Renault Alpine and punching above his weight several times during these years. The cherry on the top was his win at Hungary, thanks in part to his teammate Fernando Alonso defending Lewis Hamilton from fighting for the lead. There is no one currently in the grid more deserving of that seat than Esteban Ocon. Number 2. Carlos Sainz. If Mercedes decides to go for another tried and tested Formula 1 driver who has shown what he can do with his talent and against tough teammates, they should clearly be considering Carlos Sainz. Sainz has been with Formula 1 for 2 years more than Ocon, and during the years have worked with and fought against exceptionally talented drivers as his teammates Verstappen, Leclerc and Norris, to name a few. In a couple of years' time, if Ferrari is clearly in favor of having a Schumacher with them to drive alongside Leclerc, Sainz would need a seat, and that could come from Mercedes. Number 3. Oscar Piastri. This is clearly a long shot. The chances of Mercedes going for a rookie is quite less. However, if Piastri had a year's experience under his belt until then, he could definitely be considered for that second seat alongside Russell. That is, if they are looking for a wingman for Russell instead of someone who could cause a rivalry, which is very much possible if they go for Ocon or Sainz. There you have it. These are my favorite picks on who could likely succeed Hamilton at Mercedes. But we are yet to see how good Mercedes are under the new regulations. If they are not good enough, maybe moving to them would not be a good enough option for either Ocon or Sainz. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel if you like to watch similar content, and stay tuned to iamFormula for everything Formula 1. Until next time, take care and stay safe.